All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started on our component identification lab. All right, so the purpose of this lab is really to be able to look at the components you're working with and make sure that they will actually work in the circuit that you're going to be working on. Okay, I know that kind of sounds confusing, but you can't use a DC relay on an AC circuit or vice versa. You need to make sure that that relay or that button or that switch or that light is actually set up for the kind of circuit that you have. So what I really want you to do is get used to reading the information on the side of those components if you have any questions. Okay, I've troubleshot a couple things where people have actually put the wrong items in the circuit and then they couldn't figure out why they weren't working. Okay, so on this lab, if you can see on the side of this guy, yep, okay, it's going to have a bunch of words written on here. Most of my questions are based off of these kind of tags on the side of your components. The lights are just a written line on the side. All of the relays, as you can see, there's I don't know, it's kind of hard to see. All the writing is on this side or on this side, or yeah, mostly these two sides. Okay, so most of my questions are going to be based off of what's written on the side of these components. The contactor has a bunch of tags on the side where I'm going to be asking you questions. Okay, so make sure you're looking at this information and answering those questions. Again, take this lab as many times as you want, look it over, you can kind of figure this one out. Okay, it's a really good habit to get into actually looking at your parts, and those questions are going to come up quite a bit throughout your career. All right, again, all of the parts or the questions that I'm asking you, I'm going to make sure to put the part number of the relay, I'm going to make sure to put the contactor number or the transformer or something like that. Okay, so go ahead and get started. Let us know if you have any questions.